Okay, so 7810. That's right. The dipstick's on the opposite side of the engine on this one. Still can't get that figured out right. Ooh, so I need to put that on really tight. The engine oil looks alright. Them darn stupid birds up there like to crap on everything. Let's see. Okay, we're all hooked up. What's the hydraulic oil look like? It's about half full in the sight glass, if you can see that. Okay. So, I think what we're gonna do is see them up there? All the bird droppings? When we used to have the, something to realize is you can't park anything underneath that beam. Well, we'll go in here and look at this backhoe. It'll give you an example or a better understanding. You can't park anything directly under that there because the birds will sit up there, crap, make a mess, and well, I can't find no bird droppings. Ah, there's one. Somewhat fresh, but so far the tractor's staying somewhat clean. Yeah, this post here is all farther back we go because, like I said previously, if you park anything back any further, why, it'll get bird droppings on it. As you can see, the John Deere 1590 grain drill already has. It's just dusty, more or less. I don't know what that was that we painted over. Is that a sticker or something? Maybe it wasn't supposed to be painted over? I don't know. Yeah. Didn't really do a review on this thing, and I don't really know if you guys want me to or not. Yeah. So, I guess without any further ado, let's get back to what we were doing earlier. That drill also has the scales on it, and the markers. This thing here, what I always do is, see, put that there against my leg. What I always do, let's see if I can get it, is lay the chain on it right there so you can back into it and hook up easier, because if you don't, it'll just do that, and that makes everything such a butt ache when you're trying to hook it up by yourself. So yeah, that's what me rambling on, back with what we're gonna do. Yeah, this 7010. You know what? I think this is good here. A dump truck just left. Get another load of grindings. Okay, so supposed to. It is let's see, July 14th, I believe, if I remember right. And it's supposed to be a heat wave today. I've done it before. Darn thing, this thing need diesel. Yeah, no, I can see a little bit sloshing in there. Okay, so we'll just, we don't need heat, we're not burning grease. Just blow the mud off of it. Of course, that's going to be a pain in my butt already, I can tell. Is that mess? I'm not too worried about washing. I might wash the plow later, get some of that grease off the cylinder. Okay, now I do notice, or did notice, on the 70, what was it, 7800, they'd be all kind of grease and everything underneath these hubs because, well, the seal went out in the hubs on both of them. But our motto is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that's kind of what I'm sticking with. set you guys up somewhere. Let's see. Best place I got for you. Oh, gosh darn it. Okay, so just gonna take a soap and soap this thing real quick. This is a lazy man's way of soaping if you don't want to get too technical with it. Everything got to be covered in soap. Quick way of washing, soaping. Don't really want it to dry in this with all this heat. There you can see the soap come off. I think we'll turn the heat on for that grease. Wait for a burner to warm up. I guess we'll just wash the whole plow, get the bird droppings off of it, kind of just rinse it off. I think I know what's wrong with my hot water. We're out of diesel fuel, and I'm about a little bit over halfway done, so I'm not going to make no efforts to go get diesel right now. We're done. The plow all clean. Relieve a pressure on the hose. I'm gonna roll this up and go put the tractor away and see what else we got.